What we're going to learn to do now is to find 10, 100 or 1,000 more than an integer. So I'm just going to give you a couple of examples so you get the idea of what's happening. We're going to be using this word a lot, which is really important, and that word is regroup. And when I hear you in class this week, I want to hear you using that word. So my first question says, what's 10 more than 96? Well, let's just have a look at what that means. Let's make 96. It's 5. And I like arranging them in 5s because it makes it easier for us to count what I've got. Okay, so there you can see I've got 5 and a 4, so I've got 90, and I've got 6 ones. Again, I'm going to order this going up in rows of up to 5, but up in 2s. So I've got 96. And my question says, what's 10 more? So I'm not going to add a white, I'm going to add one of these red ones. So I've got 5, 10. Now when I've got 10 tens, that's the same as 100. And so when I have 10 in this column, I'm going to regroup that for 100. So I've regrouped 10 tens for 100, not 1,000. And so now the answer is 100, 0 tens, so I need a placeholder, and 6 ones. Okay, there's my first question. My next one says, what is 100 more than 1,941? So I have 1,900. So again, I'm going to organize it like last time, going up in rows of up to 5, but in 2s, so we can quickly see what I have. That's 1,800, 1,900. And then I've got 41, so I need 2, 40, and 1. 1,941. And I need 100 more. So I don't need another 10, I need another 100. When I put that 100 in, I can see that I've got 10 in this column now. If I've got 10 in this column, it means I have to regroup. So I can regroup 10 hundreds for 1,000. So if I regroup that, now I have 2,000s. So my answer is 2,000, 0 hundreds, 4 tens, and 1 unit. 2,041. Let's look at one final question. I have 9,208. Okay, so I have 9,000s, so I'm ordering it in 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 200, and 8. And again, I'm doing this in 2s, just so it's very clear to us how many I have. It really helps me understand. 9,208. And I have to find 1,000 more. If I have 1,000 more, it's one of these yellow ones. I put my 1,000 in, and now I can see again, I have 10 in this column. When I have 10 in one of those columns, I need to regroup. So I can regroup 10,000s for a 10,000. And so now I have 10,000, 0 thousands, 200, 0 tens, and 8. So in this video, what we've learned to do is find 10, 100, or 1,000 more, and we've used place value counters to help us understand what is happening.